Hello everyone, is your car showing erratic speed readings, delayed shifting, or struggling to maintain gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0791, intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit, it means your transmission isn't getting accurate speed readings, which can lead to shifting problems and even transmission failure if ignored. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0791 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0791? The P0791 trouble code appears when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects a fault in the intermediate shaft speed sensor A circuit. This sensor helps the TCM determine the rotational speed of the intermediate shaft, which is critical for smooth shifting and performance. Symptoms of P0791 include delayed or harsh gear shifts, erratic or incorrect speed readings on the dashboard transmission, slipping or stuck in one gear check engine, light in transmission, warning light on poor fuel efficiency and hesitation when accelerating. If you're experiencing any of these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0791. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0791, check these critical components. Intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. Location: mounted on the transmission case near the intermediate shaft. Function: measures the rotation speed of the intermediate shaft and sends data to the TCM. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: found on or near the transmission housing firewall or under the dashboard. Function: uses data from the ISS sensor to control gear shifting. Input and output speed sensors, ISS, OSS. Location: both sensors are mounted on the transmission case, near the input and output shafts. Function: works with the intermediate shaft sensor to ensure smooth shifts. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the ISS sensor, TCM, and other speed sensors. Function: transfers speed data. Damaged wiring can disrupt signals and cause shifting problems. Common causes of P0791: faulty intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS, sending incorrect or no signal. Wiring or connector issues, loose, corroded, or damaged wiring in the ISS circuit. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, not processing speed data correctly. Dirty or low transmission fluid can cause incorrect sensor readings and shifting issues. Magnetic interference or metal debris, affecting sensor readings inside the transmission. Failing input or output, speed sensors. Incorrect data can impact intermediate shaft readings. How to fix P0791. Step 1. Check the intermediate shaft speed sensor, ISS. Test it with a multimeter to ensure proper operation. Step 2. Inspect the transmission control module, TCM. Scan for additional error codes and reset if needed. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or disconnected wires in the ISS circuit. Step 4. Check transmission fluid. Condition: low or contaminated fluid can affect sensor readings. Step 5. Test input and output speed sensors. Ensure they are working correctly. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue is resolved. A P0791 intermediate shaft speed sensor issue can lead to transmission shifting problems, poor acceleration, and incorrect speed readings. Checking the ISS sensor, wiring, TCM, and fluid condition is key to fixing this error. Watch these related videos next. P0448. EVAP vent control circuit shorted. P0449. EVAP vent control circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.